Okay, what you're seeing here is a series of 5 Tommy Dock 4-foot by 8-foot sections connected together to create a 12 by 12 deck with a little 4x4 jog on an EPDM flat roof. The foam is a intermediate surface to prevent damage to the rubber roofing underneath. Each panel has been connected to its next panel with a couple of strategically placed screws. Once the decking is on, the first piece of decking right there from the outside, the center piece of decking right there, and the last piece of decking in each 8x4 panel is where the screws that are located that connect the next panel together. So I started with the panel on the top right, 8x4, connected the next 8x4 section to it, and finally the third 8x4 section to create a 12-foot by 8-foot section of the deck. Then we changed direction and added an 8x4 section laid perpendicular with another 8x4 section laid perpendicular, joined at the short axis. Again, the screw, which my lovely wife is pointing to, first deck board. Screw on the other side, a little tricky. It's the first, it's connecting it to the 8x12 section. First deck board on the first perpendicular, first deck board on the next perpendicular section. One at midpoint where the jog extends towards the head house door, and the same pattern exists midpoint on the first perpendicular into the 8x12 deck. First deck board, raise it, and you will find the screw connecting the two pieces of deck together. The other treated framing you see here is blocking for the newel posts on the railing system, and we changed the original plan a little bit because of limitations of the site, so we had to reverse or flip over the design so that this jog made more sense where you walk onto the deck. The head house door is quite low, so we couldn't exit straight from the head house to the deck. You've got a little piece of flat area that you've got to step up from. So that's about it. This project is a Tommy Dock deck kit, and it is a perfect application because in the future a deck may need to be removed to repair or replace the rubber roofing beneath, and it's obviously kind of difficult to get these materials up here, and so you want to be able to break them down into smaller sections easily movable around the roof area in order to let the roofer get in and do their work, and everything can be re-screwed together with there's some sort of deck master decking screw. I don't have the box here with me. So anyway, we stud the new deck, since the roofing slopes down to shed water. We used some of the standoff blocks that were under the old deck here and used them to bring the deck closer to level. It's not level, but it's probably halfway more level than if we laid it directly in contact with the roof surface. So half an omelet's better than no omelet at all. Anyway, okay, that's it. Thanks.